hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a different type of video. This time we're gonna be doing our first official review of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra alongside the Galaxy Buds 3. I should be really thanking my wife. She ordered a phone, it arrived earlier this week. She was very patient, she didn't touch the phone, she just left on the side waiting for us to do the review. So thank you very much. And then with that said, let's go into the review. Right, so here we have the top-down view, obviously. So we got the pack as it came in through the post. Still sealed, as you can see. Galaxy Buds 3 as well. Sealed, so that came together as an offer. So you get the Galaxy Buds. Once you buy the phone, you can choose the option. Right, let's see if we can pull that off. Right, let's leave that here for the side. So here we have the phone itself, but before that, is that there for now? In the box, we get statement of compliance. You got your quick start guide and your manual in different languages. Get obviously a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Unfortunately, no charging brick because, you know, it's 2025 and people don't do that kind of thing anymore. I just wonder if it's able to support faster speeds, this one. We're gonna find out later on. Right, so the phone itself. This is the... what's that called again? The color was a website exclusive, so it was the Titanium Jet Black. So for those of you that was wondering, this is the one. So website-wise, you could only get 3 colors that they were exclusive. You had the Titanium Jade Green, the Pink Gold, and the Jet Black. Now the Jet Black essentially is... here obviously we have the screen cover. But the Jet Black is basically blacked out all around. Rings as well. Phone feels very nice, to be honest, holding it. Not too big. I thought it was going to be way bigger from the other videos I saw, but I must say I could even compare it to my Galaxy Note 10 next to each other, so you have an idea. One sec, let's put that there. That's a case from Ringy I got. Very, very nice. Super sturdy. So, Galaxy Note 10. Samsung S25 Ultra. I'm pretty sure they're identical, to be honest with you, in sizes. Thickness-wise, you go obviously... they're pretty much... they're going head-to-head with the thickness as well, so it's not too far off. Obviously the Note being round up, it feels a bit slimmer on the hand, but apart from that, I think that's great. That's very, very good. Weight wise as well, it does feel a little bit heavier, but ever so slightly, so very comfortable. It's not gonna tire you out. Over here we have the S Pen. Which I must say, unfortunately, is not color-coded to match the phone. So I think all the S Pens are the same color across the range. The only thing I can notice is that the button here, it's metallic, or it's titanium even, I'm not too sure. So that's an upgrade. But apart from that, the button itself blacked out. Obviously, when you click it in place, it's flash, it's nice. Right, specs wise for this phone. So this is carrying now a 4.47 gigahertz CPU processor. He's carrying the octa-core type of, so it's the new Snapdragon 8 Elite as well for that one. So we're expecting fast speeds on everything. Resolution, I'm pretty sure it's the same. It's got a Quad HD Plus for the main display. It's an AMOLED, dynamic AMOLED main display as well. It's got a 60 million color depth as well to it. Right, so taking off the cover. Very nice. See if it's got a bit of juice into it. Stat-wise as well, whilst we're waiting for this to load up, it's got a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz. Obviously, the S Pen is right there. Camera, that's where we got the... oh, language is that? So you can do the swap here. You can actually transfer all your data from your previous Android device. Right, let's see. Obviously, if you scan the QR code, you can transfer all the data, all the apps, all the stuff into this phone straight away. Let's see if I can do that. So we connected to the Wi-Fi for now. So it's done a quick restart. I'll probably do that later in settings. Whilst this is doing that, Samsung actually, so this phone is the 1 terabyte phone. Samsung at the moment, they've got a offer going on. So if you buy directly from them, from the website, you can get an upgrade for the 1 terabyte by paying the price for the 512, and it's only valid till the 6th of this month. So for those of you that want to grab the offer, it's still available for the next 3 more days. And I think alongside that, you can obviously opt in to get the Galaxy Buds as well, which, you know, a great little add-on to it. Not too much, obviously, the exclusive colors that you can only get from them. So, yeah, let's have a look. Copy apps and data. We do that later. Right, so after finishing setting up very briefly the phone, so this is what the interface looks like. Let me see. So you swipe down. Let's go brightness max. It's got a 6000 nit, I think, brightness on the screen. So super bright, even on sunny. Even here with the big light I have for the studio, you can see there's almost zero glare. Very minimal stuff. You can like literally look at the screen, no problem at all. Phone feels very, very fast. It's still in the process of actually installing apps and all that stuff as well. But you can definitely do, you know, a lot of things to it. Now let's see, how does it react to? Let's see. Feels very fast. Yeah, very good. So volume rocker here. Don't know if you can see that. There, power button there, press and hold. Obviously your main cameras, your macros, and all that stuff as well there. What else can we tell you about this phone? Let's have a look. So, in terms of cameras, let's see, what do we have? I'll say it looks like great quality camera. Let's do another one there. Yeah, crazy amount of detail on this photos. I must say, very impressed with the camera. Let's put that here for a little bit. Let's see if we can do. So that's on a 0.6 shot. One time, two times. There's a 10 times zoom. There's a 30 times zoom. And 100. That's insane. Alright, that's crazy. Okay, cool. So you guys can preview more or less here quickly. But anyways, we're going backwards now and zoom in. So and I would say exceptional quality, yeah. Camera is phenomenal. Video as well. Starting off with a full HD, 30 frames per second, and then you can adjust from there, HDR. That's amazing. Very good. So yeah, apparently, so front camera resolution, you got the 12 megapixels for that one. And then at the back, we've got, yeah, front camera can go up to an f2.2. Or his autofocus as well. Rear camera flash, there is, yes. This phone can record up to 8K at 30 FPS, which is insane for a phone. People will spend thousands on cameras to get that, not even that resolution, you know. Can go slow-mo up to 240 frames per second on a full HD. Can do 120 as well, and on full HD as well, and 120 on Ultra HD. As a standard, I believe it comes with a 12 gigs of RAM, which is more than enough. And normally if you go to Samsung now, you get the 512 gigs. Sorry, this phone obviously is the 1 terabyte one, but you could opt in, you could buy the 512 and upgrade for free through Samsung's offer for the 1 terabyte as well. If it's a nano SIM as well, and it has a dual eSIM, sorry, capability as well to it. It can carry up to 5G, of course. Connectivity, so obviously is a Type-C at the bottom. You got SIM ejector here, got your USB-C speaker, S Pen, clean on the sides, nothing really to it. Let me put this out of the way. There we go. So yeah, overall, great phone, to be honest. Easy to hold, very comfortable on the hand. Easily to manipulate with one and maneuver around with one hand, I think, as well. One touch operation. Pretty sure they used to do this thing with this. Swipe up. That's for your wallet, huh? Interesting. Okay, cool. There's a swipe on the left here as well. You get all the new Galaxy AI features here, so this AI select. Oh, you can set as a wallpaper. That's cool. Yeah, lots of new AI features on this phone. So overall impressions very good. If you were coming off, so obviously as far as we know, coming off from an S24 Ultra to this, The hardware is more or less the same. You just get a little bit of an upgrade on the back camera, I believe. However, for somebody like my wife, which is coming off of an S20, this is definitely like big jump in quality as well. It's definitely worth the upgrade. So if you're in the market looking for a phone that you know, if your previous phone wasn't an S24 Ultra, let's say, and you were to go up, maybe don't buy it if it's not really your thing. But if you can, definitely go ahead and buy it. But if you're coming from anything older than an S24 Ultra, then yeah, definitely go ahead and buy it. And if you can, take advantage of Samsung's offer that goes on at the moment for the next 3 days till the 6th of the Feb. And then get yourself the 1 terabyte one like that with possibly any of the exclusive website colors as well. Yeah, with that said, thank you very much, and then we'll see you to the next one. Take care.